do the intro in VR, so I gotta do it with my phone camera. So today we'll be playing Run in OG Fun Monkey Horror. Let's get into the video. I see it! I see it! Let's go back. Why are you screaming? It would be a great idea. Why are you screaming?
Kool-Aid. Get over here, you old black monk. I know you're out here.
I'm great. I'm great.
Don't be ugly. Give it Let's see.
Oh, hello. Hello, Purple.
Shut up, you black monk. Count to listen. Green, come with me. Green, come with me.
Yeah, it's safe.
Also, the monk is falling.
Hi.
Yo.
Hi. Yo, nigga. How do you do that?
Not there.
Wait, how do you
Not there.
Go check that one.
How do you do it? How do you do it?
Mega Satan.
How do you do it?
Look at my name, guys. Look at my name.
Burn you up this wire.
How do we know that it's not here?
It's not that deep, bro. It's not that deep.
What the fuck?
Guys, read my name. My name's Papa.
Did I just go around?
I just give it
My
a
name's
bunch.
Papa.
I went around?
My name's Papa. Look at my name.
I went around?
Look at my name.
It took me like 10.
Hey, look at my name.
What the fuck, dude? I went around?
Yo,
This is what I mean.
hard. Yo. This is twin brother.
Oh my god!
Ah shit!
What is that noise? What is that noise? Where is it?
Ito na!
I'll go investigate. AliExpress.
AliExpress?
Oh, she's not good. Guys, there's nobody here. It's butthole. Help me, you stupid.
Put it up my butthole.
Hey.
Oh fuck no.
Hey. Oh, Charlie. He can't.
Charlie Kirk.
The balls are coming.
Who? I've never seen that panicked child in my life. Yo, fuck no! I am not staying there! I'd rather live than watching monster kill us! Fucking told you! I'd fucking rather live than watching
I'm gonna touch you.
people die. What fuck? What fuck? Shit! Holy fuck! Yeah, I don't think it's safe! They're literally begging for their lives.
Over there.
Oh shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Shit down my leg.
Holy shit!
Hey, hello.
Holy shit!
Hey, hello.
Ah! Sheep. Their house. What the hell is it?
Oh shit, no good. Moving like shit. Go shit. Go this way, this way, this way. Go, Soldier, go, go. This way, this way.
I don't see shit.
Why are you going like that? Why are you going like that?
He's not coming.
Okay, let's go free.
Yeah, he's not even coming.
I
No.
can be black. I can run.
He was right there. He was behind me. He chased me.
No, wait, this black.
Oh shit! 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 Bugatti! Skibidi Bugatti!
Whoever go first is gay.
Oh shit!
I'm the main character. Huh?
I overreact.
Run, niggas, run.
Oh shit!
Go, 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 go.
It was nice living! This wonderful life!
Hey, headshot.
It was wonderful!
Soldier, stay. Soldier,
Guys, I can see you.
Or maybe I...
Soldiers, we're good. Soldiers, we're good. Come on.
Such a blunder.
Stay put, stay put. Stay put, stay put, stay put.
I'm the man. I'm the
Shit! 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 I'm not living and knowing you! I'm gonna die!
He's not coming.
It's a mystery! It's a mystery! Will we survive or die? Why do we never die? This monster's such a scaredy cat.
What does that mean? What does that mean, guys? What does that mean?
Hi, hi, hi! You saw hi, hi, hi! You... Ah!
Stay here, stay here.
Where did we go? I said, here?
We are brave! We are man!
Rubas!
You fucking overloaded!
Oh, really?
Hello! Oh my god! I never realized that. I thought we went the wrong way. There won't no fucking way. Oh shit! Shit! Go! Go! Fuck! 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 Holy shit! No one's knowing you!
behind you.
He's in there.
And never pinned his skull from the rocket.
This way.
You're all getting the
Guys, who's mod?
Me.
I totally do not have mod.
Rupa!
Joe!
Yo, you guys have, bro.
Come here, Rupa!
We're not some fucking robots. We're players. Go! He's coming out of way.
He's in here.
It's coming!
It's coming.
Run! Run! Come